Okay, here's what happened one day when Katie was left on her own and Daddy was sleeping. Katie decided to put some lipstick on. Let's get a closer look. Sit up, Katie. Get up. What did you do?
Mess.
You made a mess?
Yeah.
Do you look pretty?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you think Mommy's going to say when she comes home?
Okay.
She's going to say it's okay?
Yeah.
I'll bet she's not.
Okay.
Because you get lipstick all over the bed. All over yourself. This spot over there. All while you're watching Sesame Street. Okay, smile. You got lipstick all over your face. Look in the mirror. What do you think?
I know.
Huh?
I know.
Look in the mirror. Stand up. How's it look?
Yeah.
Did you have fun when you did that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Katie, say see you later.
Later.
Smile. Mommy's home now.
Okay.
You think she's going to be happy?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll find out. We'll see what Mommy says about this.
I remember she took forever to get in here, so I'm gonna fast
Here
forward
she
it.
comes. Call Mommy. Tell Mommy come here. Katie, call Mommy.
Mommy.
Louder.
Come, Mommy. Mommy. Come out.
I'm proud of what I
Call her
did.
loud.
Mommy.
Loud.
I don't remember her coming in.
She took forever to come in.
Mommy!
I'm gonna fast forward it again.
Call Mommy.
Here come Mommy.
Mommy!
Fast forwarding.
Call Mommy.
She should be coming now. Any second.
There's Mommy.
There's Mommy.
No, I think I said I'm sorry.
Oh my God, Katie.
She's trying not to laugh.
What were you doing, Father?
sleeping.
Because
Mama, no. Mama, no. Mama, no.
Katie, Katie. Thinking, Katie. Were you thinking this was fun?
Yeah.
How old will you be before I start laughing about this?
Mommy, not now. I'm a cut.
I see that. Did you see your face? Look at your face.
Okay.
What happened to your face?
I know.
You look like a clown.
Mama, my shorts.
Get that stupid thing off.